Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you another unboxing from my Warhammer 40,000 series of videos. In this video I will be showing you the White Dwarf Apocrypha. I did butcher that right there. So this is the book, and like I always try to do, to show the product in its full glory. So let's open it up. Okay. So we have a hardback book right here. Maybe you know, maybe you don't. The White Dwarf is a publication run by Games Workshop on a monthly basis. Usually looks like this. So you have a magazine style with 150 odd pages, and it will cost you, if they did not change the price. Okay, so let's continue with the book. So here are the different variants of the logo they have used through time. Here are different colors through the years, of course. And Games Workshop does not make only Warhammer, but also they have the license to make the Lord of the Rings tabletop games. So usually you will see also some in the past, prevalently, not much today. Dwarf team, love of painting, of course. These are much new models with Age of Sigmar. Making of dioramas. So basically, like I see, they have taken few interviews and pieces of the old magazines and put it in this beautiful book. So here are some painting schemes from the heavy metal team. This is the pro team under Games Workshop, who is producing the highest quality of miniature painting that you will see on the boxes of the product they sell. His Phoebeus Bile, his old miniature. He has now a new one. Here's some orcs. Chapter approved. So chapter approved is an update to the rules. Usually they will produce once per year, to add maybe some new stats to the codexes if you are playing the game, of course. Beautiful artwork. And the team has some really nice and talented designers and painters. So this is the Dark Angels by heavy metal. These are all the miniatures featured in the Dark Revenges box series that was one of my first purchases when I started Warhammer. So I have all these miniatures except this one, because this was a limited edition inside a limited edition box set, and they changed it out with another figure, with a Chaos Lord. So a bummer for me, but yeah, it is what it is. You can still find this one on the secondary market if you like. If not, you can go with their standard interrogated Chaplain that I have. Some really nice old artwork from games. Yeah, Space Hulk game. Yeah, here is the old tabletop game. So this was just a short one player no game, which you can buy and have a nice little game with your friend. Nothing as lengthy as the real 40k tabletop, in which you will use lots of miniatures and also some terrain. So this is the realm of the chaos, so demons, and here is some really nice artwork from John Blanche. This is similar that it used on the Dark Millennium cards that I featured here on my channel. Another beautiful batch of miniatures. These are the Chaos Tainted Marines. Dreadnought here. A few tips and tricks how to make your own dioramas. So this is more current stuff. So I know that's Deepkin. So these are the fish people or fish elves in Age of Sigmar. So that is the fantasy version of the tabletop game that is Games Workshop producing, and it is the successor to the old Warhammer Fantasy. Beautiful miniatures right there. A big turtle, a Leviathan. This is some Eldar stuff, so Eldar tanks, Falcon Graph tank. Here are some old creatures and also some elves, gene stealers. This is the old Warhammer Fantasy. Funny pictures right there. And these are regarding the old game system. So is your chart for your troops and some win challenges. So these are the entries to the painting painting challenges they have, so you can submit your miniature and maybe you can win the first place if you are good enough. Of course, there are lots of excellent painters out there. So here you have a full scaled diorama with everything. You can probably go and see these in the Games Workshop HQ in Nottingham. They have some large display pieces where you can go and check them out. These ones probably you can buy from Games Workshop. They are really expensive and heavy. And here are some of those dioramas, displays. Yes, and if you like planes, Games Workshop has also a game system that is called Auronica Imperialis, where you can fight with planes and bombers. If you don't like the miniature soldiers or orcs or tanks, then you can also go that route. And hopefully, maybe sometime in the near future, we will also have a comeback of Gothic Armada, which is a space battle tabletop. And also a comic at the end with the protagonist, the White Dwarf. And the red people, the Scarrans. This was one of the playable races in the old game, and they are also in the Age of Sigmar. If you like red people. Okay, so these are the new covers. You can see much heavy on the effects, and yeah, beautifully done. And one more picture of the White Dwarf from August 1996. Wow. Okay, so this was the White Dwarf Apocrypha. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave comments down below. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife, gear oriented stuff, watches, but also hobby, like Warhammer unboxings and tools. Okay, so wish you a wonderful day and see you soon. Bye.